Same truck, different day, different problem. Did my last video, I was pretty sure that I was taking it apart and saw that broken plastic piece. That's the problem. Did the video, turned everything off, went to looking, and the door behind the door that the plastic piece goes on was broken. So I had to do some surgery on that. And instead of taking it all apart, I looked at it and realized I can JB Weld this. So I did that. And JB Weld this, well, here, that sounds like a sales pitch, but JB Weld steel reinforced the two tube like a syringe. This cap blocks off the white and the black, and it works. This thing's almost empty because I've been using it. I mean, I don't know how many holes on those Whistler and Gasser fuel tanks I've repaired the last few months. No things before it. I'll put a link in the description of this. This actually has saved me a lot of time because with the old tubes, I never had them equal. Seems like I never had the mix just right. And one of the tubes, which one's the steel and which one's the glue, whatever. The one that's the glue, the adhesive, it always gummed up and didn't want to come apart. The tubes are split. I like using this. So there'll be a link in the description for the JB Weld steel epoxy syringe, or whatever they call it. And I'll put a link to the little aluminum piece I bought for the vent blend door to make it work. And I'll put a link in. Follow the link. You pay the same price you would without following the link. I get a small percentage, but I got to tell you about it. So, member of the Amazon affiliate program. All right, let me show you what I found the problem was behind the blend door. And let's see here. I can do this without shutting the camera off. All right, rusty metal door right there. That is the blend door. But then, see the JB Weld mess down in there? I'll pull it back some. Yeah, I end up, why is that thing strobing on us? I'm sorry. You can't see without it. There, it's not strobing now. This door here, it's on this other post on the right, that is called the bi-level door. And like right there, that is full-on cold, or air, because that's the AC evaporator back behind there. That is cold air to the vents in your face. And the aluminum clip there hooks onto the vacuum pot that moves these. And when it goes halfway right about there, that gives you to the vents, and then it shoves it out the floor too. That's your bi-level door. And that is off for the vents, heat or defrost, which is about there actually when you let go of it. And getting these things on top, make sure I can get the camera up there. You see the Sharpie marks from where I had it, and I reset it. Pretty much there's this one, you can't see this one over there. You twist the one over there all the way counterclockwise, and this one all the way clockwise, and then you pop it into this plastic clip, and it happens to be, it was set right. I set it right 8 or 9 years ago, and that's where it came out at. That's how you set the timing of the two doors, because this one goes wherever the other door goes, which is where the vacuum sends it. So just to follow up, if your AC is not quite right, check that door down there. And I'm not sure you can pull the bi-level door out with the thing in the vehicle or not. I didn't try. I just got it together. The tab at the bottom broke off. I JB welded it on a long screwdriver, and now it moves and it works. So I am not sure if the bi-level door broke, hit this door, caused the plastic piece of this to break, or this thing breaking hit that door and caused it to break. I don't know. But right now they both move. They don't touch. They seem to work. So we'll try it from there. Thanks for watching.